Hi, it's Shandy Autry. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's called Tenderloin for a reason, and this recipe makes it crave-worthy. Here's what you'll need. A beef tenderloin, Dijon mustard, some butter, spices like grilling rub and roasted garlic, and the secret ingredient, Kettle brand salt and pepper potato chips that you've crushed into crumbs. I'm also making a mango avocado salsa for a side made with these ingredients. For the tenderloin, mix together the butter and mustard and stir until smooth and creamy. Next, combine your beef spices with crushed potato chips and mix together. Now slather the mustard butter all over the beef, then sprinkle the potato chips and spice combo over the mustard. Now it's ready for the oven. While the beef is cooking, make your salsa. Combine avocado and mango, some red onion, cilantro, tomatoes, a chili pepper, and finish with the juice of 1 lime. Give it a stir and you're ready to serve. When the beef is cooked to your preference, let it rest for at least 10 minutes. Then slice it up and enjoy with the salsa. Beef tenderloin for dinner tonight. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.